Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more wonder information. So you've got a brand new Jennair range downdraft, and you're going to notice something really different. Normally, this is what you've been used to your whole life, the whole 9 yards. Now the nice thing about the Jennair is it has this rolling rack. It doesn't come out. Yes, it does. I'm going to show you something real quick here. Now, what you want to do is you want to lift it up, and pull it forward. Okay. Now, if you look back here, you see those little bars right there? They correspond to little hooks, right? This little hook right here. Okay. So what it does is it goes in. Okay. And now, you see how it's hooked back there? You've got to drop it under that to pull it out. And basically what you do is you can do it like this. You can lift it up, slide it out, and voila, it comes out. Okay? And then you're out and you're good to go. Okay? See? And this actually helps you a little bit in there. To put it back in, you're basically just going to, put it back in. Oops, come on. It helps if I line it up right. Okay? Now you're going to tip it over, push it, and then drop it. And voila, you're there. And see, you even have the tilt function. So you don't actually have to lift it up. You can just tilt this up, and it will pull right out just like that. And for the busters, push it back in. Boom, you're good to go. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back for some more wonder information next week, and have a wonderful day.